What are the significant milestones na nailagay po ng PAO with modernization? Dahil po pagpasok nyo po dito, talagang modern because you are not only reaching out talaga doon sa field, but also digitally, nakakatulong ho kayo sa ating kapwang Pilipino. Ano po ang masasabi nating modernization expansions na ginagawa ho ng PAO para makapag-reach pa po ng mas madami?
Access to justice, especially during pandemic, our senior officials deliberated that we should have a live program to be aired at YouTube and Facebook, also in Twitter. So, #Pala, Presida Acosta's Legal Advice Program was launched in 2021. Because of the pandemic, before 2019, the total clients of PAO was 19 million, 2019. 13 million rather, 13. Nung pumasok ang pandemya, naging 6 million na lang, 2020. Kaya noong 2021, nag-isip kami, what shall we do? Hindi na ay ma-reach. So through that live program, nakaka-comment ang mga tao, nakakatanong, then in-open ko Messenger, Viber, and my cell phone, of course, is open since 2001, but still, kailangan mag-social media ka. Ang tao ngayon talagang social media na.
Correct.
Aside from my daily column at Manila Times for about more than 2 decades, that's in English language, and now also in Bulgar, that's for the Tagalog dialect. Kulang eh, hindi lahat nakakabilang dyaryo.
Yes.
So, iba talaga yung may social media.
Correct.
And especially, kailangan yung monitoring, evaluation of the work of all PAO lawyers nationwide.
Yes.
And the feedback mechanism is also important. Kaya meron kami mga boxes na dilalagay doon ng mga tao ano yung masasabi sa lawyer na humawak ng kaso nila.
Yes.